Ever wondered about the facts that have slipped under your radar? Our world is brimming with fascinating and often unheard trivia. There are countless nuggets of knowledge lurking in the corners of our existence, waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to uncover 10 of the most interesting, most mind-boggling facts that have largely remained unknown. So buckle up, put on your thinking caps, and get ready to dive into a world of unheard facts. Prepare to have your mind blown by the top 10 unheard facts. Fact number 10, your tongue has a unique print, just like fingerprints. Now, isn't that a mind-boggler? The science behind this is pretty incredible. Each tongue is adorned with a unique pattern of bumps and grooves, not unlike the ridges that make up our fingerprints. These bumps, known as papillae, have a distinct layout on each tongue, making your tongue print as unique as a snowflake. Diving deeper, we find that this uniqueness isn't just a fun fact. It could actually be a game changer in the world of biometrics. Think about it. We've got fingerprint scanners, facial recognition, even retinal scans. So why not tongue prints? Researchers are already exploring this avenue, looking at how tongue prints could be used in future identification technologies. It's an exciting prospect and a testament to just how unique we all are. So remember, your tongue is more unique than you thought. Fact number 9, if you lined up all the planets in our solar system, they could fit between Earth and the Moon. Now that might be hard to visualize, but let's break it down a bit. We often think of the Moon as being just a hop, skip, and a jump away, but it's actually about 240,000 miles from Earth. That's enough space to fit all the planets in our solar system side by side with room to spare. Now let's talk about the combined diameters of all the planets in our solar system. When you add them all together, it totals up to roughly only 186,000 miles. That's still quite a bit less than the distance between Earth and the Moon. It's a humbling reminder of how vast the universe truly is. Space, as it turns out, is not just a concept but a reality that's beyond our comprehension. Space truly is, well, spacious. Fact number 8, the longest time between two twins being born is 87 days. Now that's a head-scratcher, isn't it? Let's dive into this peculiar tale. This record-breaking interval happened in 1995 with the birth of Irish twins Amy and Katie Jones-Elliott. Amy was born prematurely at just 24 weeks, weighing a mere 1 pound, 3 ounces. Her twin sister Katie, however, decided to make her entrance into the world 87 days later, a stark contrast from the usual minutes apart we associate with twin births. This unusual occurrence was due to a condition called delayed interval delivery, a medical phenomenon where one twin is delivered prematurely, but doctors managed to delay the birth of the second twin to give it more time to develop. This fascinating story challenges our conventional understanding of twin births. Twins, but born almost 3 months apart. Fact number 7, the world's quietest room is so silent, you can hear your own bloodstream. Now let's explore the realm of absolute silence. This place is not some remote cave or a forgotten corner of the world, but within the bustling headquarters of Microsoft in Redmond, Washington. This is the home of an anechoic chamber, a room designed to absorb sound rather than echo it, hence the name. This room, with its 6 walls of sound-absorbing wedges, holds the Guinness World Record for the world's quietest place. It's so quiet that you can hear the sound of your own heartbeat, your lungs filling with air, and even the grinding of your joints. The purpose? It's a testing ground for devices like the Surface tablet and the Cortana voice assistant, ensuring they function optimally without background noise interference. Who would have thought that in the quest for technological perfection, we'd stumble upon such profound silence? Silence can indeed be deafening. Fact number 6, humans glow in the dark, but our eyes can't perceive it. A curious statement, isn't it? This glow is due to a phenomenon called bioluminescence, a process where living organisms produce light. It's the same phenomenon that makes fireflies glow and jellyfish shimmer underwater. But how do humans glow? Well, our bodies constantly emit a tiny amount of light, a result of biochemical reactions involving free radicals. This light is 1,000 times weaker than the human eye can perceive, which is why we can't see our own glow or that of others. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? The idea that we're all subtly shining all the time, even in the dead of night. This glow isn't just a random occurrence, it's a direct result of the metabolic processes that keep us alive and functioning. So in a way, we all have a little bit of glow-in-the-dark magic in us. Fact number 5, the oldest known advertisement is for a brewery. Now isn't that something to raise a glass to? This ancient ad hails from the land of pharaohs and pyramids, ancient Egypt. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of a cold brew, and the enduring power of advertising. This ancient advertisement wasn't your typical billboard or TV spot. It was an inscription on a clay tablet, and its message was simple. Drink Elba, the beer with the heart of a lion. This brewery, Elba, understood even then what businesses today know all too well. A catchy message can turn a product into a phenomenon. The history of advertising is full of such fascinating gems. From ancient Egyptian clay tablets promoting beer, to today's digital ads selling virtually everything under the sun, the art of persuasion has been a constant in human civilization. So the next time you see an ad, remember that you're part of a tradition that stretches back thousands of years. Ads and ale, a timeless combination. Fact number 4, the world's oldest hotel has been operating since 705 AD. Now that's what you call staying power. This historic establishment, the Nishiyama Onsen Keiun-kan in Japan, has been welcoming guests for over 13 centuries. That's longer than the existence of some countries. Located in the heart of the mountains of Yamanashi Prefecture, the hotel has been passed down through 52 generations of the same family. Talk about a family business. The hotel is famed for its hot spring baths, fed by the local Hakuho Springs, a natural source of hot water. Guests have been soaking in these rejuvenating waters for centuries, a tradition that continues to this day. The hotel has seen countless changes over the years, but its commitment to offering a unique and authentic Japanese experience remains the same. From samurai warriors to modern-day tourists, the Nishiyama Onsen Keiun-kan has provided a warm welcome for all. Talk about hospitality with a history. Fact number 3, the loneliest creature on Earth is a whale. Now this isn't your regular blue or humpback whale. This is the story of the 52 Hertz whale, a one-of-a-kind marine mammal that has been wandering the world's oceans for years. This whale is unique because it communicates at a frequency of 52 Hertz, a pitch much higher than that of other whales. Scientists believe that because of this distinctive call, other whales cannot understand it, resulting in the 52 Hertz whale living a life of solitude. It's a bit like speaking a language that no one else understands. This whale's unique song echoes through the ocean, unanswered and unheard by its own kind. Despite the sadness in its tale, the 52 Hertz whale continues its journey, singing its own tune, indifferent to the vast silence of the deep blue. It's a testament to the whale's resilience and perhaps even its hope. A solitary song in the vast ocean. Fact number 2, the Eiffel Tower weighs less than the air around it. Now that's a head-scratcher, isn't it? The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of France, is an engineering marvel that stands tall at approximately 330 meters. It's made of iron, and believe it or not, it weighs around 7,300 tons. But let's put this in perspective. The air around the Eiffel Tower within its dimensions weighs more. Yep, you heard that right. The weight of the air is calculated by considering the volume of the tower, which includes the space within and around it up to its height. The air in this volume, due to its density, weighs more than the iron structure itself. This is a little mind-bending, but it's an amazing testament to how weight and density work together in ways we don't normally consider. So, the next time you're gazing at this architectural marvel, remember, a towering testament to incredible engineering. And finally, fact number 1, the entire internet weighs about the same as a strawberry. Now you may be wondering, how can something as vast and intangible as the internet have a physical weight? Well, let's delve into this fascinating concept. The weight of the internet lies in the storage of data. Every bit of information stored on the internet takes up a tiny bit of energy, and by Einstein's famous equation E=mc2, energy equates to mass. When you add up all the stored data, it's estimated that the internet has about 50 million gigabytes of information. Yet the combined weight of all this information only amounts to about 50 grams, roughly the weight of a strawberry. This is because each gigabyte of data weighs about a billionth of a gram. So, the internet is heavy with information but light on the scales. And there we have it. 10 facts that may have evaded your knowledge until now. From the uniqueness of your tongue print to the weight of the internet, we've traversed a world of unheard marvels. We've journeyed through time, from the oldest known advertisement to the longest time between twins being born. We've even visited the world's quietest room and the loneliest creature on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, the world is full of fascinating facts waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring.